So the best ring light recommendation from me is, first of all, of course, if you guys can get your hands on Elgato key lights. If not, this ring light. And I ordered 2 of them myself. They're on the way, just because I want more lighting on my on my setup. So this is the light I'm talking about, everybody, right over here. The ring light that everybody loves, the best ring light in the world right now, the newer 18-inch 55 watt ring light. It's a studio ring light, so it gives you like the best quality possible. I recommend it to a lot of people. It comes with a tripod, so you guys don't have to buy anything else. Installation is right there. Secondly, it's 18 inches plus you can extend the tripod if you guys want even higher lighting. And look at it, this light got so many color ranges that to make your face look good, or like anywhere that you guys putting it. It's no standard ring light. It doesn't got any reflective layer on it, like the best quality LEDs newer put on it, that it's just, even if you like use the light for the lowest quality possible, like the most dim light possible, your thing still looks the most lit up. Like they're just too bright, really effective for the money. I can't recommend it enough. Trust me, these lights are like one of the best. Like look at it, for photo shoot, professional photo shoot, live streaming, blogger, YouTuber, self-portrait, top-notch light. Top-notch. Comes with 2 types of covers, the white, and of course, if you guys want some natural lighting, as I'm doing right now, top of my head, it's kind of orange. Then you guys change the brightness of the thing. Plus, you guys can actually plug a DSLR camera or your phone within the light. In the ring light, you can rotate it in any way, you can adjust it in any way. Really flexible, can hold up to phone, like any size, like a biggest phone you can ever think of. Plus, you can get like lightings like this, get a natural lighting. You can make it full orange to get like the way that I'm doing right now, to look kind of chill, vibey mood. But you guys can go all white just to get the most bright colors possible out of the thing. But still, the best light for YouTubers, live streamers. I bought 2 of them. I bought 2 of them. So you guys know it's a really big deal. So really great value for the money. You can rotate it. You can do anything with this light. You can put a DSLR camera in it. Can't recommend it enough.